2018 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2440BS for sale in Austin, Texas 78733. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2440BS. This luxurious fifth wheel is 27 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 5 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs with toppers and 1 awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its great condition. This 2018 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2440BS is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Step inside. To your left there is a sofa with end tables and overhead storage along the rear. To your right as you enter there is a L-shaped kitchen countertop with a double sink, counter extension, 3-burner range, microwave, and a refrigerator. On the opposite side you will find a slide-out booth dinette with a pantry, or you can choose a freestanding table with chairs and a pantry instead. An entertainment center is along the interior wall for easy viewing from any seating area. Heading up 2 steps towards the front you will walk through a bath. There is a private toilet area on your right, and a corner linen cabinet along the curbside wall. On the opposite side you can wash off in the radius shower, and clean your hands in the sink. The front bedroom features a queen bed with a nightstand, shirt closet, overhead cabinets, an optional TV, and a slide-out wardrobe. There is exterior storage in the front of the trailer, on the outside of the dinette slide-out, and near the center of the unit there is a pass-through storage compartment for all your outdoor gear. There are many add-ons to choose from, such as optional swivel rocker chairs in place of the sofa, an outdoor gas grill, or even a rear ladder, and more. This 2018 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2440BS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2440BS can be yours.